Ladies, gentlemen, your boy has officially ran out of video ideas. So, your boy has officially ran out of video ideas. So this is what I'm resorted to. Going on e-dating Discord servers. But at least the positive is that at least we might be able to go and save some people, you know, save some thirsty men. I know I said that I won't be doing haram content anymore. I know I said it, but trust me, I asked God about this, and so far he seemed like if this video's up, that means God said yes for this video idea, okay?
I'm literally on my walk right now, and I'm asking God if he wants me to make the e-dating server video, because it is kind of haram, but it might help people who are that down bad. But yeah, I'm on my walk, so this is proof that I'm speaking to God. I hope it's God. And yeah, if you're seeing the video, that means God said yes. So Okay, I'm getting distracted, bro.
Today we're gonna be going into an e-dating Discord server. I've never been into one of these. We're gonna infiltrate it and see the amount of degeneracy, amount of down badness, and we're gonna explore the dark side of the internet, aka Discord. Let's do it. Let's check it out. What's in these e-dating servers? Also, I'm on a fake girl account, so I feel like once I send a message, I just want to see what happens. I'm gonna send a message soon, but let's suss out the playing field. You know, you gotta suss out the playing field to know what battle you're going into. You know, bro. What? Submissive girls, please DM me. I want to VC. That's crazy. Ain't nobody messaging you, bro. Look at your head. It looks like you got pubes on your head. Ew. Male 22 looking for someone to talk to. F female, please. Bro, what? What? Nah, that's gonna be catfish. No way this dude is pulling. How is this pulling? Hey guys. Okay, I'm gonna message. Let's see what happens. Greetings. Get a job, mate. Okay, let me make a post. I wanna see what happens. I'm gonna post this one. Yeah, let's post this one. Okay, and then I do, I'm new here. Yeah, I'm new here. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hey guys. Okay, I wanna see what happens because this server is crazy active. Ask DM. Okay, I'm gonna say DMs open. Okay, let me see what happens. Let me see what happens. Okay, let's go through selfies. Let's see what's up in selfies. Bro, your ass needs a job, bro. And your ass needs some of these, bro. Use some of these disinfect wipes on your face. All the makeup's gonna fly off, bro. DM's open, guys. Yo, I don't know what you on, but damn, them glasses look like, you know, Ninja Turtle headbands. There's people really posting stuff in here. What?
Hey, yo, what the?
Bro, how is this allowed? How is this allowed? Bro, there's so many selfies in here. That's crazy. What is going on? DMs are open for skinny, nerdy dudes. Buddy, opposites don't attract, bro. How are people... What the frick is going on? Oh my goodness, I just realized. Bro, what? Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna actually chat them up. Hold on. I'm actually gonna chat. That's crazy. Ew, what the fuck? Oh my god, there's no way. There's no way. This is real, bro. Can I worship you? What? Bro, what is that? What is going on? Bro, there's no way. This is real. There's no way. I'm 21. Okay, watch. Watch me right now. Watch. I'm telling you, these dating servers are cooked. He's still gonna respond.
Oh, hell.
Bro, I told you! Bro, this is cooked! I told you, there's so many pedos on this. Damn, hope your day is as great as you're looking right now.
LOL.
What the Bro, whose kid is this? Oh my god, whose kid is this? Yo, bro, no, bro, he reminds me of younger me, bro. Oh no, yo, the phone is as big as his head, dude. Go to school. How old are you? 19, buddy. You is not 19. This kid is not. You are not 19, bro. If you're 19, I'm probably like 37. You look like you just came out the womb. This is not, bro. You was not 19. Where your parents at?
Hey boss, I have a seizure.
Let's see what he says. Okay, yo, let's see. I'm gonna try and ruin this dude's ego, and I want to see if he still would want to meet up with me. Oh my god. What? Yo, this dude! Brother! No! Okay, what should I say? Eat! Man, yo, this is gonna be crazy. No. Would you let me... I'm gonna say something crazy. Bro, if he says yes, I'm about to crash out. If he says yes, I'm about to crash out. Oh my gosh, I got another friend. What? What is this ChatGPT message? I'm Justin, 23, from Michigan, and looking for a relationship. Nice to meet you. Do you like horror movies? What is this ChatGPT message? I don't like getting too personal right at the back. I don't like getting too personal right at the back, discussing certain interests. Like, buddy, you've got an anime profile picture. What made you join an e-dating server? Well, I didn't think you want to know that I use it when I'm horny and looking for a little fun. Not exclusively. I'm not only here to talk dirty and trade, but that's... Have you ever touched grass? Oh, nice. What did you do at the gym? Did my homework. Stupid. What else do you expect I did at the gym? What's body count? Okay, let's see what he says. Zero. I have a physical issue that prevents me from having sex. What's the physical issue? Big chop? Bro, God, I'm sorry. God, I'm sorry. God, yo, this is crazy. I feel like a villain. GG. Yo, this dude, I got bro sweating. Bro started shaking in his boots. Being an attractive girl is such a cheat code. Like, it's like, and if you're on these dating apps, on this freaking e-dating server, bro, what are you doing, man? Like, what? It's so easy to catfish anyone on you. Like, it's literally a dude sitting behind the screen on a Go account and people are falling for it. I'm literally disrespecting these guys and they still keep messaging. It's wild. Alright, I'm gonna play truth or dare with this, bro. Okay, let's see what he says. Truth or dare. Let's see what he says. I said dare. Let's see what he says. Watch. He's gonna say send me something. Watch. I guarantee my left now this dude's gonna say send me something. Watch. Show me your figure. Alright, I'm gonna send this photo to him. This is a photo that I got off the internet. I'm gonna send this to him. Hold on. Okay, I send him the photo. Let's see what he says. Bro, he still continues to message me even though I disrespected him like 20 times. Dude, no! Why? This guy's literally digging his own grave. Okay, I'm gonna push the boundaries. You see, guys. I'm throwing shade at this dude, but this dude is still messaging. That's mental. I can probably get this dude's phone number. I'm about to finesse this dude's number. Watch. If this dude sends his number, we're cooked, bro. Oh my gosh, I sent it to him. If this dude sends his number, he's cooked. Oh my gosh. Bro, this dude is cooked. I can't do this, bro. I can't do this. Dude, I can't do this. Ah, dude, that's crazy, bro. So look how easy it is to get personal information. Boys, look how easy it is. Please don't be on these dating server things. Don't do it. I literally just got a random dude's phone number, selfie, and name. I want this to be a wake-up call that if you do these dating servers, no, it's not gonna end up well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I feel so terrible, but at the same time, I hope this woke some people that are probably watching this video that are in these servers. Don't do it! Ew, look at my spit. Ew. Don't do this stuff! It's weird! They don't want you! The girls don't want you on Discord. They're not real! Don't do this stuff! Go outside! Put it to work! Hi, myself Oliver, and I'm looking for a relationship.